lymphatic system. Firstly, let's discuss about the circulatory system. The human circulatory system is also called as the cardiovascular system. The main function of the cardiovascular system is the transport of the nutrients or the blood or any other minerals throughout the entire body. The human circulatory system, it get divided into the three main components, that is a heart, blood vessels and the blood. The human heart is a hollow muscular organ which are the four chambered. The human heart is get divided into the left and right region by the septums. The upper two regions or upper two chambers are called as the atrium. The single one chamber is called as atrium, and the lower chambers are known as the ventricles. uh, the upper two chambers, that is the atrium, are the thinner and are the receiving chambers, and the lower are the ventricles which are the thinner than the atrium, and they are the pumping chambers of the heart. Then the next is a there are the different valves are present into the human heart, that is a tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, pulmonary valve, which are also known as the mitral valve, and the last one is a aortic valve. The next component is the blood vessels. The human heart is get divided into the three main blood vessels, that is the artery, veins and the capillaries. The arteries carry the oxygenated blood away from the heart to the different body parts or the body organs, and there is a one exception, that is a pulmonary artery, which carry the deoxygenated blood away from the heart. The next is a veins. Veins carry deoxygenated blood towards the heart, and there is a one exception, that is a pulmonary vein, which carries the oxygenated blood towards the heart. And the last one is the capillaries, which are the network like a structure between the arterioles to the veins. Then the next is a blood. The human blood get divided into the three main types or four types, that is a plasma, red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles, platelets or thrombocytes. That's all about the circulatory system or the cardiovascular system. Now let's discuss about the lymphatic system. The human lymphatic system is a subsystem of the circular system, and the lymphatic system is also known as the drainage system of the human body. There are the different types of the lymphatic vessels are present in the lymphatic system. The main function of the lymphatic system is the maintenance of the body fluid, maintenance of the immune system and the homeostasis. The main mechanism of the lymphatic system is the when the body nutrients or minerals are get seep out or leak out from the blood capillaries, it get absorbed by the tissues which are responsible for the swelling of that tissues. But the lymph present into the lymphatic system, it is get absorb that nutrients and then again transferred to the circulatory system. uh, this is the common and the simple mechanism of the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is get divided into the different components like a lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes and the lymphoid organs. The lymph is the clear fluid and which are the colorless, which are similar to the blood, but it does not pump like a blood. It get squeezed. The second is the lymphatic vessels. The lymphatic vessels are responsible for the carrying the lymph after before forwarding the lymph towards the circulatory system. Firstly it gets enter into the lymph nodes for the filtration, and then get transferred towards the circulatory system. The lymphoid organ get divided into the two main types, that is a primary lymphoid organ and the secondary lymphoid organ. The primary lymphoid organ get divided into the two types or two subtypes, that is a thymus and the blood bone marrow, and the secondary lymphoid organ get divided into the three main types, that is a spleen, tonsils and the mucosa associated link. That's all about the lymphatic system. Thank you so much.